What's up, guys? Just making this video if I don't post anything tomorrow that's not this video. So, yeah. But anyway, we fixed the brights in my car. That's what I was trying to document, but it just took so long and my friends had to come over. So this is just a quick video. All we really did was we put a new switch, because I put a new switch, even though we didn't have to, because we checked the continuity. So the 3-prong, here, I'll just show you. This switch. So the 3-prong switch, so I'll turn it on right now. So that switch and that switch, we didn't have to. And then we got this out of a Ford Explorer. So this is this switch. Okay. So, and with this being off, you can still do flash to pass. So, flash to pass, and then turn this on. The lights are turned on. Pull this back, it locks it, and then that's brights. It's off brights. So it works. And it used to be on a stupid toggle switch over here. That stupid toggle switch. But it's fixed. Everything electrical about this car is fixed. It just needs a radio. So I am super happy about that. The next big thing is transmission and a rear pinion, and then a new left front tire, radio, and then we can finally work on, and then, well, yeah, I need a new belt because it's squeaking, and I need new spark plugs, but that's just because it's an old car. But then we can finally work on the cosmetics. And yeah, it's when you buy a car that's really beat up, half of your mind thinks that you're not going to fix it, and then the other half of your mind thinks that, yeah, I'll fix it. And right now I'm at the other half of my mind, because everything else I see from now is pretty easy. Electrical problems suck. Like, it was hard figuring out this. And I also unplugged that, and I got to clean that because it's very corroded. But the car's not that bad. Yeah, it still failed inspection because the cats are really old, but my county's turning to be a non-emissions, so that's good. So everything's good. It's just a good car, as Calvin would say. TJ Hunt. It's just a good car. Alright, guys. I forget what my outro is going to be. Something about, like, never... things always get better. Yeah, don't worry about it. No matter what, things always get better. That's what I want every outro of my videos to be. Because no matter what situation you're in, and I've been in some pretty bad situations, things always get better. So, I'll see you guys.